It's been... Kailan tayo last? Nandito sa Kashana?
20...
2023? Ano?
2023.
Yes, 2023.
2023 ba yun?
I guess so. After nung wedding,
Ba't tayo pumunta?
bumalik tayo sa LGU ng Tagaytay.
Wow!
Yeah,
Yeah.
2023 yung last namin here in Kashana. Dito kami nagstay nung wedding week. You remembered? Now we're back here for the Inseparables Couples Retreat. However, iba na yung management. So, yon. Pero, I guess okay pa rin naman. Well, let's see. Tas gawa na yung events place nila sa may likod. Dati kasi wala pa yun. When we were here, we even had our company business planning here ng, was it 2021? 2022? Parang ganon. Then, when kami sa may mga function rooms sa hotel mismo. But this time, doon kami sa may likod. May events place. Gawa na siya. As an influencer
and
and
as an influencer
Hi guys, and I'm here to have a quick vlog of what happened today sa first day ng Inseparables Couples Retreat. And hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng pack ng things because ang dami nangyari. Because of reasons. So, I just had, quick clips of the travel going here and yung what happened kaninang umaga. But for most of the day, it's really a lot of, actually may learnings na ako from day one. And, well, before that, we're currently here sa hotel. And, hindi siya yung same the hotel wherein kung nasan yung mga participants. So, nandun kami sa katabing hotel. Kasi puno na yun and very last minute kami nag-join. So, ayun si John. Ayun o. Say hi! Antok na. Kasi late naman na ngayon. So, just wanna do this very quick vlog para lang to finish the entire video lang. So, we actually thought that we're gonna skip this batch na Inseparables Couples Retreat because, one, we had to recover pa from the funds na nagastos din or the expenses from the last batch dun sa Boracay. But, also, we also had, nag-sponsor din kasi kami ng Disciple And it's one of the commitments that we have to, to do or to fulfill this batch. And we did not expect kung na magkano yung retreat nitong batch because we were prepared to pay for yung usual fee talaga. Not the Boracay rate, ganyan. So, there had been changes and medyo tumaas yung rate niya. But then, ayun nga, praise God, nakapag-sponsor kami. But, kami yung hindi sure kung makaka-attend talaga kami to serve. Well, John said nung last year or last batch na we'll try naman a different committee na mag-volunteer, mag-serve in. Hindi na muna kami magfa-FASI, which is, I'm okay with that. So now, well, una, nandun kami sa limbo na ano ba bang pwede naming matulong ganyan, na together. Kasi may mga skills, like, we have different skills ni John and sometimes, alam mo yun, di naman ako magaling mag-design, di naman ako magaling tas siya, may mga weakness din siya na maybe ako naman yung may strengths na skill. So, hindi kami tugma doon sa ibang bagay. But then, so we're really praying about it. And, well, kinukulit din naman kami ng mga group leaders namin. So, on top of that, hindi rin kami sure about the workload because workload has been extremely heavy this first month ng January pa lang of the year. And a lot of things had happened. Kaya hindi kami makapag-commit talaga agad. But praise God na ang daming nangyari din afterwards na ngayon, yun, na-approve yung leave ko. Then, natapos na rin yung trip ni John sa Mindanao, ganyan. But then, marami pa. Like, nag-align lang din yung ibang mga schedules. And dahil last minute kami nag-book. So, buti na lang din may available pa sa hotel na to, nakatabi mismo nung retreat venue. Kasi, syempre, Valentine's weekend, so expected na fully booked na lahat ng hotel at the same time, mas mahal yung mga rates. But, maganda yung nakuha kong deal for this hotel dahil dun sa Klook na code. Yun, so, sulit yung mga ganong codes. Yun, so, when we asked if do they still need extra hands for help, and we're not really sure where can we be of help, so, nagtanong lang talaga kami. And they said they need naman help, syempre, but siguro more on the admin side, so, logistics and admin. So, yun, so, we are now extra pair of hands. And this time, di namin alam kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin. Actually, somehow, we know what to do, pero first time namin siyang gagawin. So, first time din nagkaroon ng speaker care. So, feeling ko nga super hilaw pa yung paggawa yung ng speaker care natin, no, babe? Sobrang hilaw pa. Well, di talaga ako marunong mag-speaker care kasi I've never done that. Pero since I don't know how, and one of our disciples, si Beulah, thank you, B, is really experienced in the committee ng speaker care. Nagpatulong ako sa kanya. So, nagpaturo ako sa kanya. I asked for her checklist. Ano ba yung ginagawa niya usually as a speaker care na volunteer or servant. So, she gladly shared it. And some tips also. So, yun. So, ang dami palang ginagawa ng speaker care. But, alam mo yung head knowledge, alam mo na yung gagawin mo, pero hindi mo rin nagagawa kasi hindi ka pa sanay. Like, may nakakalimutan akong gawin na nakakalimutan ko i-check yung ibang mga bagay. Tapos maalala ko na lang siya kasi tapos na. Or dapat gagawin ko pero di ko na nagawa. Parang ganun. Minor things, but if I want to play the part well, I should have done everything na nasa checklist. So, yung checklist mismo, hindi ko na check. Ganon. Pero siguro, in time, siguro masanay din. So, it's the first time that we have the speaker care. Well, the organizer group din naman, organizing team din naman kasi sanay na sila of doing everything kasi magkaka-D group network talaga sila. But they want to, have a complete function of the ministries or the committees. And okay lang, parang there will be always room for improvement. Ganun. So, happy lang kami na may natutulong kahit papaano and tomorrow will be, more activities to do, and naset naman na rin yung expectations for tomorrow since there will be more activities nga din. Parang ganun din, gaya ng ibang Inseparables Couples Retreat, mga may activity for the second day. Ganyan. So, this role that we have, out of our comfort zone, kasi unlike being a facilitator, parang memorize na namin ni John yung gagawin. And kahit di na kami kahit di mo na kami paalalahanan, you already know what to do, what to prepare, and what to expect. Ganyan. As a facilitator. Pero ngayon, as an all-around, hindi namin alam yung gagawin. So, hindi namin turf yung committee that we're in. But I am happy to say that I'm learning new things because I get to experience a different side of planning and executing an event in CCF. Tulad niyan, yung sa admin stuff na, I had an experience of the admin stuff nung sa registration ng last year sa Boracay. Pero iba rin yung ngayon na, very minor lang kasi hindi naman kami tumulong talaga ng mga onset ng preps. As in, neto lang, yung on the day lang. So, yung katulad ng mga profiles ng speakers, mga ganyan. Tapos kanina, I checked some rooms, parang yung naming ng rooms, tsaka yung assignment ng rooms, kanyan. Versus dun sa, yung list ng organizers versus sa list ng hotel. Just to make sure that they're correct and they're placed in the right rooms, ganon. And then si John, na tumutulong din magbuhat, logistics, mga ganon. Basta kung anywhere, as in literally anywhere they would be needing help from us. So, wala siyang, ito na yung next, walang ganon. Kaya minsan, pag nakaupo na ako, nawawala sa isip ko, ano pa bang magtatanong ako, ganyan, ano pa bang matutulong ko. Ganon. Ganon din si John, so nagtatanong kami. Pero if wala naman na, so, we're also lucky and blessed na we get to also hear the same message or yung mga mga testimonies and the message all over again. And I'm sure we'll be learning a lot from different couples na nakakausap din namin na like newfound friends, mga ganyan. And you get to also learn from other experiences, like from the other participants who will be sharing also their testimonies. Yun, mga ganon. So, anyway, every retreat, laging may learning. Kahit naman nung single kami. Pero ngayon na dahil married kami, so, more learnings talaga. And you'll never be perfect naman then when it comes to marriage. And it's really refreshing to, spend time with your spouse, learning more good stuff about marriage and how to make it better. Well, it's my first time then, honestly, to be absent on a Valentine's Day. Kasi ako yung tipo ng manager na sinasabihan ko pa nga yung staff ko na wag umabsent kapag Valentine's Day. Tapos, ako yung absent ngayon. So, first time talaga. Ever since nagtrabaho ako. Ikaw ba, babe? Nag-absent ka ba dati, ever, in your life?
No.
Ng Valentine's Day para makipag-date, gano'n? Hindi.
Nag-absent para lang makipag-date.
So, parehas kami ng asawa ko. Nung mga single kami. Hindi kami uma-absent para lang makipag-date. Mag-date kayo after work. Ganon. Pero, God has other plans. First time ever na ma-absent ako ng Valentine's, kaya hesitant din talaga ako. And, yun, thankful ako na na-approve naman yung leave ko. Yan. Tsaka basta lahat ng last minute, we're really grateful for it. Kasi nga, truly God has other plans. And yun, first time dito sa Tagaytay to do Valentine's Day on an exact date. At the same time, we're not here to, solely enjoy lang each other, but also to serve the Lord. And happy kami kasi we get to experience this batch na retreat with our disciples and other D group na brothers and sisters. May ka-D12 din kami ditong kasali. And yung group leaders namin nandito rin. So, yun. So, really looking forward to more learnings. Kahit naka-attend na kami ng ilang ulit. And of course, new experiences being on a different committee this batch of retreat. So, yun lang. We have to rest na. Sa late na. Puyat din kami from the preps na papunta dito. Akala ko malate pa kami, pero buti hindi. So, now we have to rest because early na rin kami ulit tomorrow. That's all, guys. Bye!